In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front ABS sensor on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove 2 bolts on the inner fender liner. Grab the inner fender liner and pull it down. Behind here, you're going to find a clip for the ABS wire. There's a push button right here. Go ahead and push that and remove the connector. Using a trim tool, we're going to remove the bracket. I'm going to push the fender liner up, back out of my way. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt out of the bracket. You can pull the bracket off. Using a 12mm socket, remove the bolt for the brake line and ABS wire brackets. We're going to pop this blue clip off of the knuckle. Remove the brake line bracket. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt out of the ABS sensor. Remove the ABS sensor from the knuckle. Install the bolt into the sensor. Install the sensor into the knuckle and get the bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Torque the ABS bolt to 71 inch-pounds. Install the blue clip over the knuckle onto the strut, and it'll clip into these 2 tabs. Set the first hook into the hole on the left side. Then we'll turn it down, line the holes up, and then install the brake line over that bracket. Get the bolt started and snug it down. Install the bracket into the bottom first, and then get the bolt started and snug it down. Pull the liner back down. Install the plastic clip. Install the connector for the ABS wire. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. Push the fender liner back into place and install the 2 bolts. and you're good to go. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. And we'll torque the wheel on the ground. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.